are you? We are here with a delicious pork recipe. So I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for something different to feed my family. Pork tenderloin is something that they all like, including the kids. It's healthy and it's a lean cut of meat, really fairly inexpensive. And so I just think it's a great option. And Jill has told me for years about this cranberry orange pork tenderloin. I've never had it, but I've always wanted to try it. And I'm thinking with fall coming, it just sounded so delicious. I think this would be a great,
It's delicious and it's very quick to make.
Okay, even
so
better.
As long as you either your pork tenderloin is already thawed out or pull it out in the morning, thawed out, you can come home and literally get this in the pot, cooking, and be done in 30 minutes with your
I love it. I love it. So I will do whatever you say, but go ahead and start showing us how to make this.
So all I do is I take the pork tenderloin and then I salt and pepper. You know how much I hate.
I know you hate touching around meat. That doesn't bother me at all.
Oh, you're gonna have to sprinkle a lot.
Okay,
I
got
have
it.
it on my hands.
Oh, it's so funny.
Sorry.
Yeah, you definitely want to wash your hands if you're handling raw pork, though. So
it's a thing for me.
That's a thing. Okay. All right, there you go.
So all I did was I put about a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons of just olive oil in here. Just get it hot, and then you're just going to literally just brown the pork tenderloin.
It fits perfectly in
I
there.
know it does. It's a cute little.
Got this to make spaghetti, so that you don't have to break it. That's what I got the pot for. That's what I always use it for.
I like it. Yeah. So you're actually going to brown this on all sides. You need to make sure that you brown it really well.
Okay.
I think that's a key to any kind of meat that you braise. Is that you brown it, you sear it, so it kind of locks in all the juices.
Is this going to go in the oven?
No, it's going to cook. It's
totally cook here.
Cook on.
Okay.
Cook on, you could if you wanted to. I know my mom does. My mom will sear it all and then she'll put it all in one of her casserole dishes and throw it in the oven. But one pot, that's it.
All right, I like that.
Yeah, so we're gonna get this browned and then show you what it's gonna look like.
Listen to it sizzle.
I know. Okay, so we pretty much got all the sides brown here. Why don't you go ahead and open the, so your next ingredient is whole cranberries in a can.
Okay.
Not the jelly, but the whole cranberry.
Whole cranberry.
Yeah.
So, whole berry cranberry sauce. Okay.
Down just a wee bit because, go ahead and just dump it in there.
All right. Oh, there we go.
Okay. And then we're gonna do about 3/4 of a cup of orange juice.
Okay.
And so you're making the sauce for this right in the pan. And it's
I love it.
It's gonna cook in the sauce and
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
okay, just gonna break up the whole cranberries. And I wish you could kind of see this, but you probably can't. I'm not even gonna try it. And then I put in about a tablespoon of brown sugar.
Let's put it right there. Okay. Perfect.
Okay. So all we're gonna do is pop the lid back on, and it's just gonna continue to cook.
You want me to bring the camera and show them?
Maybe we'll do that afterwards.
Okay.
But it's just going to continue to cook for probably about 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
You can usually use a meat thermometer. I kind of know when my pork tenderloin's done. I'm going to turn this up just a little bit. So, and that's it.
That is so easy.
You can go change out of your work clothes. You can start on some rice or some broccoli, but that's it.
That sounds amazing. Can't wait.
All right.
All right.
We'll be right back with the finished product. Okay, so we've let this cook for about 20 minutes. Take the lid off. And so what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna remove this. And throughout the cooking process, I've flipped this around a little bit. So just so that all sides kind of get this glaze on it. So I'm gonna take this out. And I'm gonna let Miss Heather
Slice a little bit?
slice it up.
Do you like thick slices or?
Well, like yay.
Okay.
Yeah, you need this?
Oh yeah, thank you.
All right, so then all I do with this goodness, this little gravy that's in here, I add just a pat of butter, and in this case, I use the Earth Balance. This just kind of makes it, kind of silky smooth. Just do this.
Can you cut any more, or is that good?
I think that's good. You can just kind of fan it on that
Okay.
platter. And I'm telling you, this is so good. And it's quick, it's easy, there's not many ingredients. And then all I do,
Oh my gosh, this looks like cooked to perfection.
and if you'd like a lot of this goodness of this cranberry orange gravy, what I usually do is I double. I do
Two cans?
Yeah, I do 2 cans of whole cranberries. I do a cup and a half of orange juice.
I cannot wait to try this. So good.
Alright, so let's see, can I do this?
Yeah.
I think I can.
A little
I
ladle.
think I need a little ladle. I could try, but I might mess it up. Or actually, I could use this little spout.
Here. That's good.
Alright. So then you just take this. You just
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
pour it over. I won't mess up your kitchen counter.
Usually do.
I know. I like to make a mess of Heather's kitchen. Okay,
Okay, that looks perfect. I can't wait to try it.
and that's it.
And then what do you serve it with? Brown rice?
Brown rice.
Okay.
Which I had brown rice. We're actually cooking this for our kids tonight because mommies are working.
Yes.
Right.
This is
So
perfect.
yeah.
All right.
So there you go. Cranberry orange pork tenderloin.
Super easy.
Super easy, healthy. Just don't forget to hit the big red button below to subscribe.
Yep.
And leave any comments. You have any questions? Heather can answer them for you.
And we'll put the recipe below.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.